So rainy day at the beach, but I'm still thinking of you. It's a rainy day at the beach, but I believe that dreams can still come true. My heart's on fire. My heart's on fire. It's a rainy day at the beach. The clouds are a silver screen. It's a rainy day at the beach. The seagulls are singing her name. Mi corazón está en llamas. Mi corazón está en llamas. Rainy days come and rainy days go. Hold me and kiss me ever so slow, 'cause I love you deeper than you'll ever know. I love you deeper than you'll ever know. It's a rainy day at the beach. Breathing sea breezes all those times. It's a rainy day at the beach. The greatest of love shall soon be mine. Mi corazón está en llamas. Mi corazón está en llamas. Rainy days come and rainy days go. Hold me and kiss me ever so slow, 'cause I love you deeper than you'll ever know. I love you deeper than you'll ever know.
I'm a magician, right? And so what I like to do is appear places, and then sometimes I disappear, all right? And that's exactly what magicians are supposed to do. And now what you expect, you want a magic trick, and I've got one for you. Now, first of all, what you have to do is trust, okay? Do you trust me? Step forward to your glass, and then peel back your eyeballs and stick them right here. So, I'm a magician, right? What I can do is, I can make you keep watching. And if you do, there's a special surprise for you. Because I'm a magician, and I do things like I saw people in half. And I think it's very, people just saw women in half. I'm sorry, half. They always saw women in half. So the thing is, why is that? Why isn't it someone that tried to make maybe sort of like a monkey in half or something, But here's the thing. King Solomon was the wisest king in the East, the world, whatever. And there was a baby brought to him, and he had to cut the baby in half. But he didn't do it because the mother cried out, the real mother, "It's my baby." See, you have to know the backstory. Complicated. Anyway, the point is, I'm a magician, right? So what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to tell you about things a magician like and what I've been through. There was a time where I wasn't making any money as a magician, and I had to do some things I'm not too proud of. Like, there was a time I went to a public park, and I started singing, Partridge Family songs with my guitar, and people didn't respond. I made them disappear. That was my first trick. I know it doesn't sound too fancy, but hold on, hold your horses, my friend, because in the Old West, were there magicians, right? I don't know. The thing is, I'd like to see a show about a magician in the West, and what we call it is fairy dust under the old wagon. That's right, because you'd have a flying wagon, you'd have a sheriff that liked to dance for some reason. So you have a dancing sheriff, a flying wagon, and all you need is a Native American that owns a poutineery, which is like French fries with cheese curds, but that is like Inception, what wakes up the audience, okay? Because I'm a magician, right? I always really fancy myself as a film director, but I'm trying to be a magician, so goodbye.